When you look at future inventory levels, many important questions come up. Will there be shortages? Will we have too much stock? What about imbalances? Could safety stocks fall below safe levels? Critical item analysis helps you with these answers. It shows the availability of items and lets you review, identify, and summarize any item with issues. Here we can view inventory development over time and click to see planned activities, which are presented visually. We expect to have negative stock levels in mid-February. This requires action, so we move to another feature within item planning named Critical Item. Here we can analyze expected inventory imbalances, whether there is too little or too much expected stock in the future. Item Planning Critical Item scans all your inventory items and highlights issues based on predefined criteria, such as shortages during the selected timeline, quantities falling below safety stock, and more. Once the analysis is complete, a table shows all problematic items. You'll have a full overview of all items that are under the selected level. You can now select an item to view detailed information about this. After the item is selected, you are presented with numbers of the starting and ending inventory, as well as the highest and lowest negative inventory levels recorded in the selected period. From this table, you're also able to access the very useful item planning, item data. Are you looking for a fast and effective way to achieve full inventory control? Look no further. Naveksa's item planning is the solution you need.